What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights in the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. Also, check the links in the description section of this video. I got some free resources down there for y'all, stocks, crypto, and some other things as well to check out. Now, I'm scrolling through the Shiba Inu community, and I seen a question that stood out to me that most investors that are new to Shiba Inu are asking. Even some of the older investors that been in for a while but just may not understand things that are going on. So we're gonna go through this, and then I'm gonna give y'all some feedback on my opinion on what's going on. So also, I got to take a moment to let y'all know, for those that want to take advantage of the bear market that we're in, we know that on average, short-term traders make more money during bear markets than long-term investors. Now, there's other options. You don't have to just sit and wait for the crypto market to turn around. If you want to learn how to make money daily, Monday through Friday, there's something called options trading. I have a course teaching you how to day trade options. So if you're interested in learning how to trade options or day trading, where you can potentially earn profit each day, as long as you learn what you're doing, it's not a get rich overnight thing. You want to, make small, consistent gains that add up over time. Sometimes, of course, you can knock it out of the park. And this is what I teach you how to do inside of this course. So you can reach out to me if you want to get that via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. I also got my Crypto 101 course giving you a rounded understanding of cryptocurrency if you're new to the markets, or if you're at that intermediate level and still some things you want to get a better understanding on. That's what that course is for. And then we got my technical analysis course, which will teach you how to interpret the data on the charts a little more better, to be able to understand technical analysis, chart patterns, how to use indicators, charting software, the tools, and how to put it all together. So again, you can reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Appreciate y'all for putting up. Let's get into this. So this is a question that I'm seeing, and I know a lot of people are, wondering this right now, because it can be painful, if the markets are stagnant for a while, if you don't see the price moving. So his question was, why is Shiba stuck? It's been 2 months with no movements. Think about that. 60 days, 2 months. This is a very, very short, time frame, to expect to see something, kind of miraculous. Now, of course, the price is going to move, but it also pulls back. You have to realize that just as people are buying, there's people selling on both sides. So we also have short traders now as well, people betting on Shiba Inu falling. So people make money on the other side as well. So everyone is not just rooting for Shiba Inu to go up. Most people in Shiba Inu are in it just to make money. They probably don't believe in the ecosystem as much. They probably believe in the community and what the coin can do, but not so much as being attached to it. They're more in it for financial gain, which we all are, but some of us are looking at a longer term. This is why I recommend having multiple bags, so that way if you want to take the opportunity to learn how to day trade, that way you can take profits along the way, then you might feel a little better throughout this journey. Of course, when a bull market is in, everything's going to be running, so you'll be okay seeing those gains. But until that comes back, you might see your portfolio trading sideways basically for a while. So you got to keep that in mind. You want to continue to educate yourself and learn different strategies. So let's see what some of the community members are saying. First one with 25 likes says that's what they call stable, and this person right here has the correct idea. Shout out to y'all reaching out to the channel. I will tap in with y'all as soon as this video is over, but this person has the right idea right here. The entire market is down, trading sideways basically in a bear market, and we got Shiba Inu being stable. That's a good sign, that it's being supported. If that support wasn't there and it continued to just drop, then that would be something we needed to worry about. But the fact that we're in bad conditions, you got to think, look at everything that's going on with the stock market. The stock market just lost what the entire market cap of cryptocurrency has in it in one day. So it's not just us feeling this pain. You gotta take a step back sometimes and look at everything that's going on. We got inflation rates continuously going up, making things more expensive. So that's also going to have a negative effect on the markets, because now people are spending less. Well, people are spending on other things more, but they're overall spending less, which means less money flowing into the cryptocurrency markets, the stock markets in general from retail perspective. Also, we're in the process of a housing crisis taking place. You know, they're basically popping this housing bubble that we've seen take place throughout 2020, 21, early 2022 as well. You know, there a lot of these prices, you know, just went through the roof due to inflation and, you know, other things as well. But now we're kind of seeing that being cooled down right now. So, you know, all this is going to, you know, have an effect in the overall grand scheme of things. But we also have supply chain issues. You know, things like cars are, you know, there's a shortage on them. We have, you know, a lot of people, think about it, if you go to a lot of these manufacturers and try to get, you know, if you want to order the latest model, you know, it's going to be at least maybe 6 months before you can actually get it. And that's due to these supply chain shortages. There's less people to fill the jobs, you know, less people want to go back to work after we seen what took place with the pandemic. A lot of people don't feel the wages are worth it, or they don't feel the wages are growing at the same pace as inflation. So, you know, it's, you know, they have a right to feel that way, you know, but it's crazy times in the market. And this is one thing you want to remember, that, you know, I learned from Warren Buffett, is the markets can remain irrational longer than we can remain solvent. So at these times, you want to just, you know, kind of sit on your hands, be patient, you know, really don't let your emotions get the best of you. And also, you know, just wait for those deep discounts that we might see. You know, keep some cash to the side just in case, you know, times get shakier, or just in case we do see the market pull back, you know, unexpectedly, you are able to take advantage of it. And if we get you know, normally when we see a quick flash down, we normally see it picked back up. So if you can get in at the bottom right there, you know, if you see a steep discount, 20, you know, percent on something that you believe in, something that you've already been holding, you take advantage of that. The next day it can be up from that spot, you know, a good 15-20%, and now you just made a 20% gain on your money. And this is why it's good to also learn how to day trade, because you can take those small gains and add them up over time. Now, I'm not trying to encourage anyone to try to day trade, because it is very, very risky, and it's something that you have to stay on top of the market to learn how to do. So keep that in mind as well. But let's see, we got another comment here. Said he invested $287 in June, was expecting it to hit $1 by December and get his Lambos. See, and a lot of people do think like that. You know, he's just, you know, throwing a joke out there, but 24 people, you know, agree with this. So think about it. We got people, and I'm not saying this is a real, not saying this actual person who wrote this post, but there is some people who put, you know, even less than $1,000. Not saying you have to have more than 1,000, but they're expecting to, you know, make $1 million within 2 months, and it doesn't work like that. That's just not how it goes. You can get lucky, you know, if you just happen to get lucky like that, but for the most part, you have to do your due diligence and find projects with the potential to, you know, 100x, 1000x. That's how you really do it. This is why I'm thinking about putting together this DeFi course. I've been running a poll asking subscribers if y'all think I should put the DeFi course together to teach those that understand cryptocurrency, but not the DeFi side of it. Because if y'all are watching this and you already understand how to use pancakeswap, how to use uniswap, and all these different DeFi, decentralized exchanges, then you're in a very special group of people. The majority of crypto investors don't understand DeFi yet. So I think we may have to put a course together to, you know, introduce more people to that. But also someone says that's normal. You must be new to crypto to even ask that question. When you reach 1 billion Shiba, it's a possibility you could be a millionaire within a couple of years. If you buy 4 million Shiba and say to the moon in crypto, you're considered a joke. Someone else says clear. Okay, we ain't gonna read that. Someone says the whole market has been stagnant. Wars, gas prices, feds wanting more rules, switching to proof of work. Well, actually, it's actually proof of staking. But in turn, dropping profits, in demand for mineable coins. Hopefully, by the middle of 2023, things turn around. So this is what I want y'all just to be prepared for. Just in case things take longer than we expect it to, I don't want y'all to get shaken out of the market. Just, you know, hold strong. You know, of course, I'm not telling you what you do. This is not financial advice. You can do whatever you want to do, but that's usually what we see happen. Most people can't take it. They get exhausted, and they usually get shaken off, and that's what we call shaking the weak hands loose. And generally, the market really does a good job of that, of playing on the emotions and the psychology, you know, of new retail investors, and that's where most of the money gets taken from. Again, another Warren Buffett quote that I want y'all to remember is these markets were developed basically to transfer money from the hands of the impatient to the patient. So I don't want y'all being one of those impatient investors. That's why I always say never risk more than you're willing to lose. You know, always dollar cost average. Don't just go dump the house into it all at once. I'm not saying do that anyway, but whatever amount you plan to put in a certain asset of a percentage in your portfolio. Let's say you wanted let's say $1,000 of whatever cryptocurrency. You don't want to buy $1,000 of it right all at once. You want to break that up over time, just in case you see pullbacks in the market. You can take advantage of those discounts. But that's all we got for this video. Watch out for the scammers pretending to be me. I will not tell you to reach out to me on WhatsApp and try to take your crypto, so please be aware of that. But appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.